Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Tarek. Today I am talking about Microsoft Excel, which is most popular spreadsheet software in the world. Today's tutorial is about sales commission, and now I can show you how to calculate sales commission in Microsoft Excel. For this, the given data is if sales is 1 lakh, the commission will 2.5%. If sales is 2 lakh, the commission is 5%, and if the commission sales is greater than 2 lakh, the commission will 7%. So here I take a database about 5 individuals peoples. Then I show you how to calculate commission. For this I insert if formula and start the bracket and logical test. If sales is less than or equal 1 lakh, the commission will 75,000 into 2.5%. And then again, if sales is 75,000 is less than or equal 2 lakh, the commission will 75,000 into 5%. If the 2 is false, the commission will 7%. Then close the bracket until black, then enter. So first person sales commission is 1,875. Then I drag it and then also I need other persons. So this is the way to calculate sales commission in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.